There's another one. Wow. Hello, all of you viewers. It is me, the Messaging Katwick here, filming episode 4. As you can see, we're parked on the side of the road. A bunch of this lame-o traffic going by. I am not going to tell you exactly what we're doing. We're just stopped at the Citizens Bank here in Ossipee, or Center Ossipee, whatever the crap you call this. And I hope to record a lot with my cameras while I'm up here on this wonderful, oh fudge, I don't know what day it is. What day is it? I fucking don't know. Oh no, you little shit. Sorry about that. I don't know what time it is. 12:02. Oh look. Okay. Not now.
We are sworn to mend the bond that we have torn. Raise a storm and go where we've never been before. We are sworn to mend the bond that we have torn.
try to fish some pools downstream, okay? I'll be back in a minute. I don't catch anything right away. I know there's a little baby fish in that pool. Oh! Got one. He's bigger too. What kind of fish are you? What is that? Salmon. Is it really? Okay, oh, there we go, it's fine. There he goes. Yeah, I caught him in that pool downstream. Moose Brook State Park. Got a little tiny it's a 2-year-old landlocked salmon. Very small one. Actually no, it was a lac salmon. Wow. Okay.
Well, you caught a salmon today.
Yeah. Oh well. Yep. Sure was.
When I was on the other side over there.
On the other side where?
I saw one. So the same one. He came out of the water twice. Right up. He must have missed the bug he was after, and he come up again, right out of the water twice, and it just a matter of 2 seconds. Boom, and then boom again.
So there must be some like stocked trout or something in that brook.
Absolutely.
And they only bite on flies. Well,
Right. Oh, this time of day, that's all they yeah.
Well, I have a fly rod in the back of the truck.
Well, I think
So
that if
that's
you had a fly rod there, you would have got some.
Yep. And I would say that's pretty true. This brook is so freaking fast moving. There's something in here. There's all fished out. When it's up that little path.
Yeah.
I'm just giving you directions on where to go if you ever have to, you know, take a waz. All right. On the road. And I mean that quite literally too, because we're going on the road. So. Yep. There's that. Oh wow. There's a big old cliff up there.
Get ready and right here to this.
Oh wow.
Over here on the right, just see that?
See?
Get a good view right across the water to the hotel. There it is. Balsam's Hotel.
Yes, I see. So we're at the Two Creeks Sporting Goods. We are stopping to see if they have any bait and maybe some Panther Martins. We are, I don't know how far we are from our destination, but we are going to be fishing some spots. Thought I'd film some places on the way there, but we're still on our way to our main destination. I'm guessing we should be there in about 45 minutes, but I'm not going to film anything else until we get to the camp. So yes, that is that. Really? I'm going to fall backwards. Forget that out, shouldn't I? Okie dokie, I got the door open for you.
Oh, super.
Yeah, it wasn't hard to find that key. It was right Right where I said it was.
Super. Thank you, Jim.
Oh, you're welcome. I gotta get this stuff out of the truck. So yeah, it's first time bringing this camera up here. Shit.
Got a lot of stuff to bring in, Jim.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know what to bring first. Oh shit. I might stop recording this because I don't want to record too much of this boring shit. Oh wow. Oh, this is boring. Oh shit. Ooh. That's some creaky shit doors. Oh man. Thing here. This place is very creaky. Good path or something out there to the woods. I'm gonna just stop recording and pick this up. Nothing. I was asking if you were still, doing that because I was gonna make some breakfast in a little bit.
You gonna do what?
Make breakfast.
Oh, yeah, how so?
Okay.
What are you gonna have?
Yeah, I'm gonna have that because it's cooking easy and
You don't want this?
nah.
It's already hot, and just throw a couple eggs in there, 3 eggs in there if you want.
No, cool. Fine.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. It's cold out here. I can't believe it. You know what's funny? It's much colder outside than it is inside. Did you know that?
Well, it is.
Ooh, the moon.
I'm surprised this cabin has stayed as warm as it did all night.
Well, it's,
I can't believe it didn't cool off in here.
it is summer, and I think there is more insulation here than there is
I guess you're
outside.
probably right.
That's what I'm guessing.
All right, what did they do with the water?
The water.
I brought some water in with me yesterday.
Those water.
I brought a jug of water.
Oh, a jug. Isn't that in the fridge?
Oh yeah, I did put it in, didn't I?
I saw a jug in there. I was like, oh, there's a. Probably talking about that. Yep, right in the back.
Would you take that down so that that's so the air can get up there and clean that windshield?
Oh, sure. I think it's a full moon and it doesn't look too big.
Why don't you go get a picture of the moon?
Oh wow, it's so bright. I have no idea. It's just an opening. Yeah, should have known that.
Cool down there just now, but
Oh yeah, well. Looks can we just see it then?
I'm gonna turn around right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's doable.
Let's hope so. Watch what you're doing. Should I be your spotter? Get out. She'd be like, okay. Okay, good.
Now I'm gonna get out right here. I want to go down and look and see if I can see if there's a big pool right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, even if there's a pool in there, how are you gonna get down there? It's all freaking steep. I see a bird or something out there flying. Was that a duck or no, it's an egret or something?
Jim, I think we found it.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Well, I'll see a dam, so...
Well, I think, you know that road back there we didn't take?
Yes.
That must go to the dam.
Oh wow. Windy ding dong. Should have known that. Nothing.
Yep, that's gotta be Trout Pond. I think we lucked out.
Yep. I think so. Trout Pond.
This is it.
Yeah, oh yeah. I kind of forgot there was a road that kind of comes up here and just, you know, off to the left.
It should say Trout Pond, right?
Yeah, that's Trout Pond. And we lucked out too. I can't believe we just found this all of a sudden.
Isn't that funny? Whoop, fly fishing only in the pond.
Oh, well, we have a fly rod, so if you want to fly fish, you can do that too.
But I want to fish down below. They told us to. Oh, you know what?
What?
Looking at the map. Now let's go see if we can fish it right here. I don't know if we can or not.
No, they're in there though. They're biting. I just don't know. Get down here and turn another cast. Good one.
Wow, nice one.
Yep. She's a keeper.
Wow. My goodness.
I got her right down there, right in the open.
Wow, it's a beauty.
Oh, skipper.
I guess the heck it is.
Okay.
It's a plastic bag.
Okay, you stay right there, you baby.
I can't believe it. I thought you were going to get little ones here.
No. Yeah, they're right in the hole over there. Little nibblers. Look at the size of that mama. She's huge. Guys, look at the size of that trout. He's enormous. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's all on the wrist. What a surprise there. I got a dace. I'm gonna throw him up there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. This place looks very nice. See that? Very nice looking pond. We fished right below a dam and I got my limit. I got my limit out of that. The dam kind of runs off and I got my limit right down in that pool and I got, you guys saw the big trout I got, right? It was like freaking 13 inches long. That was big, that was awesome. Anyway, my grandfather went out to do something downstream and I'm sick of catching these little shiners. Guys, look at this pool. It's awesome. Look how big it is. Yeah, I tried fly fishing too, but I didn't get anything. I cast way out there with my fly rod until I didn't get nothing. Anyway, yeah, I was gonna put my camera on a tripod and film myself doing this, but apparently I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, look at the size of this mama. Look at the size of that fish. Wow, that's awesome. He's enormous. Anyway, yeah. Here's Trout Pond. You guys don't know where this pond is. It's over in somewhere in northern New Hampshire. I don't know exactly where we are. We took some class 6 roads and stuff, some off roads. Eventually we got in this little pond. Wow. Oh wow. I ain't been here in like 5 or so years. So
see those rocks? You probably can't see them well here. See those rocks right there?
Yes.
You couldn't see them at all. There was no rocks there.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go down there, but
okay, I'm gonna see if we catch anything. I'm just gonna get out and watch it.
this one doesn't catch very good.
Okay. You could try that one.
This is that one in here?
I think mine might cast pretty good. I just don't think it's gonna cast as good as if it had decent line. Let me take a look at this brook. Ooh. I saw it go down between the rocks. How clumsy is that? Of course, taking the shoes off.
That really pissed me off. One freaking cast. I gotta scare all the fish away.
Maybe there's some in those pools upstream, who knows? Up near the road.
Oh, my feet are too sensitive for this stuff. Oh, man. Oh, I can't stand this shit. Rocks are way too, my feet are way too sensitive.
Should I get your shoes?
Oh, does that hurt? Wow.
Well, maybe now you learned your lesson from walking on those sharp rocks. Oh, good. They don't, it's not worth it.
Nobody's here.
Huh.
I don't see a path down through the woods to the pond.
Yeah, no, it's a long ways in, I told you. Pretty.
Well, you might be right.
Better off just shore fishing from that place.
Huh?
Better off just shore fishing. I don't see it. This pond's a lot farther than I thought it was.
Huh?
So this pond is a lot farther in than I thought it was. Yeah, it's not here, I don't know.
Well, I don't think I want to go any further.
Yeah. Neither. Yeah, don't look at that. Look at big rocks down there. Jeez. Do you really think anyone would try to take their vehicle down here? Nah, the reception here is so bad I can't even load in maps. And that does not surprise me at all.
The right way, but
I don't know either. I would know if I had maps loaded properly, but no, it doesn't work.
no, this just goes right out.
It's probably the other way around.
Can I turn around with you?
Yeah, sure. I'll see why I can't. This reminds me of the good old days. Doing a little off-roading with the truck.
sure is bumpy.
Oh yeah, it's made with rocks and gravel. Of course it's gonna be bumpy. I mean bumpy. It's getting pretty muddy.
Oh, I can't go in the. There's no highway vehicles here. Okay.
Should have read the sign before you came down here.
How am I gonna read it before I come down here?
You could come down here without the truck and read the signs. If that rod's being a pain in the butt, you can use this one if you want to borrow it or wherever you call us at. Oh man. Guys, I'm heading back. My grandpa let me try and find a fishing spot that's obviously not this road, and he walked off. So now I gotta go back to the truck and walk a whole quarter mile back. And I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna say they gave up.
Change your mind?
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Like, I never even wanted to go all the way up that. Wait, what? You got a little brook trout out of that little.
Yeah, open the bag up.
Oh, sure. Which one? This one?
I had to, I'm going to keep going because I heard him
Oh.
take this out.
Okay. That's a real small one from native for sure. Oh. Well, yeah. I don't know where that guy caught those rainbows, but there's a civilization up the road a little ways, about maybe a few thousand feet, and I didn't want to go any further than that. So, getting back. Okay guys, we are leaving tomorrow, our first thing. It's been a very fun trip here. We are going to fish some places on the way back, maybe. I don't know if we're going to get anything though. Oh wow. Now I got it. Too. Oh wow. Nah, he's way too small, Keith. I'm going back.